Oppo's R7 series of smartphones is the Chinese manufacturer's strategic force for conquering the mid-range category, where devices aim to offer quality design and satisfactory performance at a more affordable price point compared to brand-name flagship smartphones. The Oppo R7 Plus is most certainly an example of this trend in motion, with its large display, metal construction and modern-day hardware powering it. But does it have what it takes to justify its, admittedly, considerable price tag of $500 unlocked? We'll have a try at answering that by putting the phablet through its paces. Package includes Oppo R7 Plus, SIM ejector tool, information guides, clear silicone protection case, earbuds, charging and data microSD cable, VOOC charger. Design: the Oppo R7 Plus is a plus-size smartphone for serious phablet lovers only, for ones that wouldn't mind carrying a 6-inch screen behemoth out and about. Still, its dimensions of 6.22 by 3.23 by 0.31 inches, 158 by 82 by 7.75 millimeters, are pretty reasonable for such a literal heavyweight. The R7 Plus weighs 6.8 ounces, 192 grams, feeling solid and definitely heavy. Also of note is that Oppo managed a very good screen-to-body ratio of nearly 77%, successfully eliminating much of the unwanted fluff around the R7 Plus screen. The Oppo R7 Plus is also a good-looking and tightly constructed smartphone. It is rectangular, with rounded corners for a better grip, and its sides are decorated with chamfer grooves. The body is fashioned out of a magnesium-aluminum alloy that's supposedly undergone 48 polishing processes. Yet, plastic still plays part in the formula, where there are two plastic bands on the back where the antennas are positioned. Meanwhile, the display is covered in shapely arc-etched 2.5D glass, which is a fancy way of saying that the glass is contoured along the smartphone's edges for an elegant flowing effect. Aside from the camera, the R7 Plus has a fingerprint scanner on its back, along with a single loudspeaker. The scanner is shaped as a rounded rectangle. Reaching for it feels easy and natural with the index finger, but the fingerprint recognition isn't as immediate as we hoped. Getting it to accurately respond upon the first try is really a question of touching the sensor at the precise right spot. Sometimes it takes us 2 to 3 tries to unlock the device, so we have to rate the scanner as average and not entirely reliable. Then again, perhaps a software update could improve its performance? While it may not have the iPhone 6's precise contours or the HTC One M9's hand-polished sheen, the R7 Plus certainly has its charm and has been built with attention to detail. But excellence in appearance isn't always a sign of practicality. Thankfully, the gripes we have with Oppo's phablet are hardly deal-breaking. Firstly, the R7 Plus is completely flat and doesn't lend itself to your hand quite like other big smartphones, such as the LG G4, do. Also, the volume buttons, set to the left, are stiff and shallow, although they do give out a nice click. The Oppo R7 Plus is a dual SIM smartphone with a catch. The SIM card tray houses either 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM card and 1 microSD card simultaneously. Now, there are more refined designs out there. The dual SIM Sony Xperia Z3 Plus can fit 2 nano SIM cards and a microSD card on a single tray thanks to Sony's clever engineering. Hopefully, Oppo and others in the business will catch up to that.